Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, we are from Group 3. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nurcha Zilatul Amzia.
My name is Meka Kurniawati.
My name is Viko Anggarianto.
My name is Fabi Anjasari Setiawan.
My name is Rita Eladiana Christine.
Mash 120 gram regal biscuits. It can be pounded or blended. Like this. Prepare 5 tablespoons of cooking oil or margarine. Then mix with regal biscuits. Then have been pounded until blend. Prepare cup size 400 ml. Then put in the dough plus 2 cups and press. Prepare a glass of water or 27 tablespoons of water. Then put in pack of jelly, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons sugar,
Put in a block chocolate. Stir until cooked. After cooked, turn off a stove. Put in jelly into cup.
Put in 4 tablespoons cornstarch into pan. Put in 3 tablespoons sugar. A tablespoon sweetened condensed milk. Sixty-five tablespoon UHT milk.
Stir until the flour is blended. Add a tablespoon margarine. Stir until cooked. Put in flour on the jelly. Put in 200 gram dark chocolate compound into pan.
Add 150 ml milk and stir until melt chocolate. Pour the glazed chocolate with careful. Add the topping sweet buns taste.
Dessert box will better when it's cool.
That is all from us.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.